Hey everybody, it's Amanda.
And it's Mike.
And we are the High to Disney. Today we are going to do a challenge while we are in Magic Kingdom because we can't do 4 parks challenge. We are going to do the mountain challenge. So we are going to do Space Mountain, Big Thunder, Splash, and I kind of want to see how quick we can do it.
Yeah, so we knock it out.
So let's just get going. It is 9:28.
Same time as it is on my Magic Band.
It is 9:28. We are going to start at Space Mountain right now. It says it's a 10-minute wait, so let's just go. All right, Mountain 1, check, insert photo here. It is 9:55. I'm just checking some wait time. Right now, that's not true. There's no way to Splash a 5-minute wait. But we made the right choice. Splash is 5 and Big Thunder is 15. 9:57. That's a 15-minute wait. Let's see how it goes.
All right, let's see how it goes.
Ladies and gentlemen, there will be a brief delay as our cast members perform cleaning procedures for each of our ride vehicles. We will resume operations in just a few moments. We apologize for any inconvenience and we thank you for your patience and understanding.
Two down.
2 down.
1 to go.
1 to go.
Our wait took a little bit longer because they were doing cleaning, which is great. Standby 40 minutes. See, Mike, we should have come before when it was only 5. So it is 10:25. We're gonna go get in line. It says 35 minutes. So in honor of our friends Wade and Samantha over at the Briar Patch family, we finished.
We did it.
It's a couple minutes after 11, so
A couple hours.
a couple hours, not bad. But I think that we should, in honor of the Briar Patch family, go and reward ourselves for doing the 3 Mountain Challenge with a
Citrus swirl.
Yeah, let's go do it.
Oh, I got it right.
Let's go do it.
Let's do it.
Mike, what do you got?
It's got a free swirl. I don't know. It's chocolate vanilla, I think, with Coke. The guy came over and I guess maybe somebody ordered it and didn't want it. And they're like, this is from us to you. It's a magical moment, so we took it.
Yeah, so we didn't get a citrus swirl.
Again.
Yet.
We'll get another one later.
We'll get another one later, but this is our celebration for doing the 3 mountains.
All
so
right.
cool. Let's see.
eat.
Yeah, let's see how it tastes, Mike.
I mean, it's chocolate vanilla, but that's always gonna be good.
But with Coke, so.
I mean, it's good. It's like having ice cream and then having a soda as well.
Like a root beer float, but with Coke and chocolate.
Well, it's not really mixing because this is really cold. So the soda's at the bottom and this is still at the top.
Well, win for us. Mike, I'm really sorry, but before we leave, we have one more thing we need to go.
Churro.
Yeah, we have to go get a churro. We talked about getting things that are overrated, so I don't know if they're at this part. Yes, they are.
So are you suggesting that the citrus swirl is overrated?
No, I'm saying that any ice cream is overrated.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you? Can I get a churro, please?
Yes, ma'am. Did you want your chocolate sauce?
Yes, please.
And for this one of those, it's going to be $6.50.
All right.
We got a dirt stick.
No, it actually looks really good because it just came out of the oven. Warmer, I should say. I shouldn't say oven.
Oh, it was a toaster oven. That's what it came out of.
Okay. Oop. We are already having a moment here.
He broke the churro, guys. This is as good as our churros? No. Not bad though.
It's not, okay. I'm not gonna take back everything I've said about churros in the past, but this one is not bad.
Yum.
I think it tastes fine.
I like dirt on a stick.
Okay, but here's the thing. I legitimately, now, people that know us know that we don't like churros from the parks. However, we've never had churros from the parks, we've just heard that they're dirt sticks. This one is not bad. Like, I would go and order another one.
Nah.
Mike, you're being super picky. It's not a dirt stick. I was expecting it to literally just be like, literally be hard and crusty and gross. I thought it tasted good. Sorry guys. I take back, wow, I'm taking back a lot of unpopular opinions.
So it's one of those things you don't knock it till you try it?
Yeah, what was the other unpopular thing that I just took back what I said?
I don't remember.
I can't remember either. Oh, the Contemporary. Me saying that it was my least favorite of the monorail resorts, and I take it back.
All right.
On to our next adventure.
On to the next adventure.